Welcome back to another great episode of Integrity Insider. My name is Shubham Agarwal from the Learning and Development team here at Integrity. Today we have a very special guest with us, Miss Shalini Kyal, who has a massive work experience of 8 years. She joined Integrity an year back and is currently working as a senior manager in SOX audit. Prior to this, she was working with PwC and EY, the Big Fours, serving listed clients over there. And very recently, we are also thrilled to announce that we launched our 12th branch in India, that is at the Kolkata branch, and Shalini works from there. So, hey Shalini, how are you doing?
Hi, Swam. It's an absolute pleasure to be here on the show. Thank you. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Absolutely fine. So, Shalini, at Integrity, we celebrate our employees' success stories, and you are no exception to it. Your journey is a testament to the unique opportunities and advantages that career at Integrity offers. So, Shalini, let's begin with knowing how your professional journey has been, the challenges you faced along the way, and how you overcame those challenges along with your experience after working at Integrity.
So definitely being a chartered accountant, clearing the chartered accountant itself a big journey. And once I have cleared that, I have worked with Big Fours where I have got a massive knowledge, and I have got a lot of experiences, worked with different clients. And I would say Integrity opportunity came in my way as a blessing in disguise. And I think one of the key aspects that fuel my enthusiasm is that the company's remarkable gender balance, where I believe diversity and equality are not just a word, but it is also an integral part of the culture at Integrity.
Shalini, your journey at Integrity is truly inspiring. Which you highlighted the positive impact of a diverse and equal workplace, which Integrity truly prides itself on. Now that you have been at Integrity for a year and being at a senior position, what is that mindset and culture that you're trying to cultivate here for yourself and for others in the organization at Integrity as a whole?
I would say a sense of belongings, a personal growth, and a thriving career. So it's just not about doing a job, but I think it is also about fostering an environment that allows me to flourish. Because, in Integrity, you can showcase yourself as one of a individual person where you can grow yourself, expand your knowledge, your expertise, and expand the business along with your growth as well.
Your emphasis on belonging and personal growth at Integrity is commendable. And obviously, the teammates who are working alongside you would be a true testament to the statements that you've just said. So, yeah. Another thing we'd like to ask from you is, generally, mid-sized organizations such as Integrity, they provide a growth-oriented environment where employees can take on diverse roles and responsibilities. Have you experienced that here?
Yep, I would say yes, I have. Because I believe Integrity is just not another firm, but it is also a community where, we have celebrated different cultures, we have celebrated different festivals, irrespective of any biasness. So all the kind of festivals that are celebrated here, are with the same enthusiasm, and everyone adapt the different cultures regardless of their genders, and also they have an equal opportunities here. Also, I would say for a woman employee, we have a very great culture here where we see a gender equality, we see a woman success because we are working in a late night shift. So I also see we have a very good cab services, where we also make sure about the security of our employees. And it also excel and lead that women are giving a significant impact in an organization.
Absolutely. I mean, both of us can totally, relate to it in that aspect that being in senior roles, we can act as inspiration for the other young women, females who want to be in the offshoring industry. And talking about from the late night point of view, the cab services, I for myself use that every single day. So that's like a very good benefit that we are getting from this organization for sure. Shalini, the next thing I would like to ask you is that what was your motivation behind leaving PwC and joining Integrity?
I would say that I have learned a lot with EY and PwC because I am what I am today because of my experience that I have there, and with the learnings and with the opportunities, with the growth things that I have gone through all my careers. But I would say in Integrity, I have also gotten opportunities, to lead internal audit and SOX compliance audit, also getting that belief that I can lead the team, I can expand the team. Also, I am upskilling and giving trainings to our juniors and expanding the audit practice at Integrity. So the emphasis is also on the work-life balance, I would say, and a supportive environment that also encourages me personally and professionally. Also, I know, after COVID-19 pandemic, I can see in accounting industry also there is a very revolution in terms of working from home. So I would say now accountants can also work from home from anywhere, and the firms are collaborating with the clients globally to work at any place and give the same kind of assurity to their clients.
For sure. I mean, Shalini, your decision to move from the Big Four to Integrity is compelling, especially with your focus on work-life balance and a supportive environment. Also, I would like to add for all of you over here that Shalini, you have been, a true leader and a guide in terms of propelling the entire concept of SOX audit here at Integrity for the new joiners by you have been involved in creation of course modules as well, right? So yeah, Shalini is involved in giving a lot of trainings for SOX audit and is sharing and imparting her knowledge with everybody at Integrity, which is proving to be truly beneficial for people who are interested in this domain. So yes, Shalini. So we would not let you leave without a closing message and advice for our viewers.
I would just say the way it came to me as a blessing in disguise. If it is coming to your way, just grab the opportunity and you will learn 10x, you will grow 10x with the company that is growing 10x.
Shalini, your closing message is motivational, emphasizing the importance of seizing opportunities and of course, continuous learning in one's career journey. So thank you for gracing us with your presence during the interview. Your thoughtful responses and profound knowledge have made this conversation truly insightful and engaging. Truly, we are honored to have had the opportunity to learn from your expertise, and this is coming from every employee of Integrity. For my viewers, as we celebrate Shalini's inspiring journey, we invite women from all walks of life to explore the exceptional opportunities that Integrity has to offer. So join us in a community that values your skills, nurtures your growth, and provides the support you need to reach new heights in your career. So that was it for today. In case you have any questions for Shalini or for us, drop them down in the comment box below. And do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.